excited you are, considering this is a film that was shot in a very special environment, and what a star cast it has. So tell me, what's the frame of mind right now?
Frame of mind is very positive. Looking forward to the release. Excited, of course. That goes without saying. To release the first film. To release a film whenever is very exciting. But right now, given the scenario coming in such a
Yes.
crucial time, So, and a great decision by the producers, Akshay sir, to come, right when the cases are very less, but still the precautions and the protocols need to be taken care of. But yeah, it's a great time to come.
Because it is based on, it is somewhere inspired by a real incident, right? So there is a sense of responsibility, I think, that you have as a storyteller, right? And because these days there are a lot of films are being made based on real account, and Akshay being one of those one of those celebrated actor who has been part of many of them. When you decided to make the film, what are the extra pressure or responsibility that you felt because the film is inspired by a real life incident?
So when I feel personally, when you make a film on real life incident, right, what bell bottom is, it's a huge responsibility in terms of how you're narrating the real incident. Okay, our film is inspired by real event. It's not based on real event, so we have taken certain liberty in making this film, reaching to you guys in the most so that you guys have a great experience watching the film. But I feel there's a great responsibility in terms of how the characters are written, how it's sketched out, how we are portraying the characters, so that it's not too away. You're not hurting people's emotion, uh, creating something which is just because we want to create something very cinematic and hurt the other person in the journey. So that we have avoided completely. As you're aware, the censor passed the film with zero cuts. So there's not a single thing that they had any issues with or anyone. So those were taken off in the scripting stages when we were writing the film. That it was very important, imperative for us to write it in such a way and still be true to the fact of the incident, so that everything has been taken care of.
Thinking, if I look back, if I go back, I think when you are like building your journey, right, in this
Mm,
film industry, I think
mm.
your association with Akshay goes like a long way back, like with Patiala House, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is, yeah, back then you were an assistant director, and today you are directing this man, for your film. So how exciting is that? Like,
Imagine it's like, so back in 2010, I was very new in Bombay that time, and I got a chance to work in Patiala as the assistant director that time. And you've always been a fan of Akshay, right? Akshay sir is such a superstar that whoever watches Hindi film, from being an assistant director to direct, it's a transition in your mindset. Uh, uh, like you know how assistant director is. You're just doing your particular job. What is the specific, and you just say AD. But sitting on the chair of the director and trying to direct Akshay sir was a different. You need a shift in your mindset to even, and it's nothing about me. He made me feel so comfortable. He recognized me that I was a AD with him in Patiala House when I
back
met him.
then,
Yeah, he told me also. And then when when on the process of meeting him, the comfort he gave me in that the comfort, the respect that he gave me and made me comfortable, that was so good for on his part, and it makes the journey then become the process much enjoyable. You know, uh, anything you want to talk about, you want to say, you want to express yourself. It was a very open scenario with him, and credit goes completely to him to create that kind of a breaking that ice and creating that kind of atmosphere.
why you decided to cast Lara and then transform her into Mrs. Gandhi instead of casting somebody whose features are similar to Mrs. Gandhi's look?
So I think to answer your question, couple of things. One, the idea of casting Lara came from Akshay sir. He was the person who thought of Lara. So completely goes to him. The thing of see Lara, if you look at Lara, she carries herself with a lot of dignity. She's a strong personality in real life too, right? She knows
Hmm,
where she is, right? So when the casting was done, now the idea was whether to make her look like Mrs. Gandhi or to make her look like Lara Datta as she is to portray the character. So we did a lot of research in how to make her look. So my idea was, it was a challenging part. It was very challenging how to go about it. But the first idea was, can we make her look exactly in that space? So I called up Vikram Gaikwad and I told him that Lara is doing the role, and then we had a series of discussion about how to go about it. And I said either she looks exactly and very similar to her, or she can look just like Lara is, and play the character. And with the process, when I first saw her, okay, on paper you see it, on a Photoshop you see
hmm,
it,
hmm,
on a laptop you can see all those designs coming through. But actually, when you see her, when I saw her for the first time with her 70% prosthetic done, with her makeup and things done, I was like, this is going to create a buzz. This is like, wow, you just couldn't believe her. And every time she was on set, it didn't feel like it's Lara who we are meeting. It was always like, the
hmm.
atmosphere changed completely. She looks so good with how she's, even when you see the film, how she has played the character, how she carried herself, it's come out very well. I'm very, very happy.